Hello guys, welcome back into another video of a market breakdown. Yeah. So guys, before I start, guys, I would like to thank everyone who stick with our channel from last year, guys. Yeah. So this year we're starting again, guys. Yeah. Starting again with our journey, guys. Yeah. Make sure that you do write those goals down, guys. Yeah. So this year, guys, I will be working with you, guys. Yeah, I challenge you to stick with this channel for actually 6 months, guys, and then tell me if you're still looking at the market the same way or differently, guys. But I challenge you that after 6 months of sticking with this channel, guys, yeah, you're gonna be looking at the market differently, guys. Yeah. So in our video for today, guys, I'm just gonna do the normal things, guys, but I wanna show you some of the things that I managed to learn before the year 2022 ends. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna start with Euro USD. With Euro USD, guys, I think I'm still involved in this position, guys. As you all know that during December times, guys, the market wasn't moving fast, but we are hopeful. But hopefully the market is ready to recover, guys. So on Euro USD, guys, I managed to get a sell somewhere around here. Now I'm looking forward to scaling since the market it looks like it's ready to give us what do we call the entry positions. So, but with this, with what is happening currently, uh, we're having a nice, powerful structure somewhere around here. With this structure, what we're looking. Sorry for that. Look, what is what? Let me use another one. Yeah, let me use this one. See what it was been happening somewhere around here. The market kept on respecting this level right here. But for those people who are trading support and resistance, guys, they got trapped somewhere around here when the market broke this support. I will call this a support area, it's gonna be a resistance area, yeah, since it's at the top. So with what is happening right here, guys, according to Falcon, guys, now so we had something like this is first touch, this is a second touch, and then this is a third touch. So with everything that is happening currently, guys, we're anticipating the market to break down here and then give us a continuation pattern, or maybe our continuation pattern will come somewhere like here. Then we're expecting the market to reach a 90% rule there. This guy at this continuation pattern, it will be accompanied by what? By some form of a head and shoulder pattern. If you can look at what is happening currently right here, I don't know. Let me use this thing. The, our head and shoulder pattern, it's something like this right here. So that's why I'm expecting a continuation pattern to form around somewhere here so that we reach our 90% of this direction. Then at the same time, it would be 100% of a head and shoulder pattern. So guys, mixing Falcon, mixing patterns with SMC, guys, it really made it simple for us, guys, to keep uh, to be sustainable in this game action. Yeah. So with Euro USD, we're done with it. Now I'm moving into another pair. So another pair is gonna be GBP USD. So currently, what is happening with GBP USD? We can see that we've been moving up with a series of higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So now we're looking for those buy positions, but at the same time, we can also be looking for those sell position. Guys, you know, in every after impulse, there's correction, then impulse. That's the nature of the market. So what I see currently, what's gonna happen, guys? I see something like a continuation pattern here after we had this impulse. Now we're in a correctional phase. But what are we waiting for currently? We're currently waiting for the market to mitigate this order blocks we have currently right here. So that's why, like I said, here we're looking for buy positions, but not always that the market could not, like, not necessarily always, but sometimes there are those small positions you get before you get those bigger ones. So in such a way, this one, it is called a sell to bar. We can catch a sell position somewhere when the market breaks this continuation pattern. Let me just do something like this. We can take a sell position when the market breaks this thing, guys. When the market breaks, let me just do something like this. When the market commits, I mean, the market would call this sell position. It will be confirmed when the market breaks out of this continuation pattern. But with what is happening currently right here, guys, with this order block we're having right now, I don't think the market would respect this order block, since after every impulse there's correction. We're expecting an impulsive move again. So that's why I'm saying with this one, I'm not gonna be rushing to buy when the market reaches here. The my the order blocks that I'm looking for, it's actually this one right here, not this one at the top. So we'll just have to be patient enough. Today's Monday. The market is not fully. I mean, the market is not volatile today. The market is relaxed, as you all know, guys. Yeah. So I'm done with GBP USD, guys. Yeah. So analyze this position on your own, guys, and then try to see if maybe me and you were looking at it in the same way. But even if we're not looking at it in the same way, you can still you can be right, guys. Not everything that I'm saying here is right, actually. Yeah, we're here to teach each other, guys. Yeah. So with AUD USD, what I'm looking at it right now, I'm seeing something nice. Um, the market mitigated this order block here with that nice 1 2 3 pattern here. This was our first one. This is our second one. This is our third one. After a third touch has high probability. So now the market didn't come to reach our 90% rule somewhere right here, but just have to be patient. What are we looking at? I mean, sorry for that. So right now we're looking for, or we're anticipating the market to mitigate this order block right here. Actually, this order block, guys, it has been formed. This order block, guys, it is accompanied by the market when it broke by the previous low, which is called change of character. We shift the market shifted in direction somewhere around here. So now the only time when we're gonna take this position is when the market mitigates this order block. But guys, take the, I mean, take your entry at the 50% of this order block if your account is small. Avoid stretching your stop losses. But if your account is big enough, you can put your stop loss somewhere. I mean, you can place a position as soon as it reaches here. But for me, I'm anticipating something like a third touch at the top. There, patterns and order blocks, guys, that are working okay. Actually, this was our first, our second. Now we're waiting for the third one. Sometimes the market, it might even give us another a pattern within a pattern somewhere here. Those will be one of our confirmations, or it will be confirming with everything that we are having. We'll be having a lot of confluences. So with this one, guys, another thing I'm seeing right here, as you know that we're trading patterns. This thing, it's a hidden shoulder. It's a hidden shoulder pattern. Now we're approaching the second shoulder. That's why I'm saying when the market mitigates this order block, we're taking this sell position, guys. There are a lot of confluences with this one. So the first target is going to be here, 90% of this smaller pattern, but overall it will be somewhere, it will be here because of this 90% rule of the structure, and then at the same time, this head and shoulder pattern. So we're done with this one, guys. Yeah. On new on USD CAD, guys, we had this one. I think we analyzed this one before. If you didn't see how we analyze, guys, go look at our previous video. But then with this one, guys, Is that what is that position where we're looking to like to get those buy positions? Okay, you can we can all see that there are even two other blocks there which it has not been, or which are not mitigated yet. So waiting for those buy positions. If maybe like we can come and mitigate this one here, guys. We can we can take this position, guys. Yeah, we can take a buy position when the market reaches here. But if the market won't come here, guys, we can still get some continuation pattern somewhere to go and mitigate this other blocks. But this one here, I'm not confident about it that that it will be it will be respected. I'm focusing on the one above there. That's why I'm saying if we are getting an entry right there, I'm buying. I'm buying the market somewhere around here. Because of here we change character. The market came and mitigated the smaller order blocks. Now we broke the structure. This is the only order block we're having currently. So this thing, I'm seeing this thing as a 1, 2, 3 pattern. We're expecting a third one somewhere around here. And then look what is happening here. I'm seeing the market forming that continuation pattern so that it comes down here. With a third touch, guys. The market has a high probability of respecting our strategy, guys. Yeah, so we just have to be patient. Now we can see that also the market built a liquidity around here, but the focus is not only on that thing; is to try to scale in before the market uh, mitigates that other block above there. Yeah. So, guys, this one it was easy. I hope everyone will benefit a lot from this one. So now on NZD USD or even a similar thing actually. So also yeah, we broke the structure. We shouldn't forget that one with this other block. But our main focus is here actually on the current price. So on the current price, this was our last low before the market went up. So sorry for that. So with that being said, guys, we changed character. Now that's why we're meeting. Now we're in like in that tricky part of inter of mixing Falcon and SMC. So guys, in Falcon, after every impulse, there's correction. So now we're in a correctional phase, and then see what is happening. Let me go back on 4 hour actually and try to show you the other blocks that we are having here. So guys, here we're having an order block which it is not yet mitigated, and then at the same time, the market gave us that 1, 2, 3 pattern. This was our first touch, this was our second touch, and then now we're on a third touch. You know that a third touch has high probability. We're anticipating that the market comes down here to reach a 90% of this thing, of our, what do we call, of our of this structure. But another thing in smart money, guys, we're having a what? We're having an order block at the top there, which is not being mitigated. I would call something like this a liquidity, guys. The market may still come and then continue with come and mitigate this order block right there. So this is the tricky part of mixing Falcon with SMC, guys. But for me here, guys, I would avoid positions. I would avoid this type of positions, guys. Yeah, but I can only sell this market when it breaks this. When it breaks, what do we call? It will be breaking this continuation pattern. That's gonna be. It's gonna remove those emotions, guys, because of the market would have been. It will commit that it's going down. But with what is happening here, I cannot take a risk entry right there because of we're still living in order block above there. So with this one, guys, I am gonna update you on what is gonna happen here, guys. Make sure that you stay with our channel. So with this one, just have to relax. Actually, it's one of that position that will be tricking a lot of people actually. So now I will be looking at these two indices. The first one is going to be a German 30. German 30, guys, the analysis is still that one of last year. Still remember when we caught this sell somewhere around here, but we exited the trade already, guys. Yeah. Now let's see what is happening in a smaller time frame. So guys, in a smaller time frame, we're having a nice order block right here, which is not yet mitigated actually. So what is happening right now? Actually, this order blocks, it has been mitigated. The market mitigated this order block and then it left a new one here. Since the market has been coming down in a series of lower lows, lower highs, now the market changed character, meaning it broke the previous low before it went down. So here we're having a liquidity right here, making our order block actually more valid. So now same thing happens, guys. Expecting the market to mitigate this order block in a corrective manner, then we're taking those buy positions. If maybe much of that is not happening, uh, I mean, if that is not happening, the order block above there is still possible. The market might still come at the top here to mitigate this two above here and then take for the sell one. So actually, yeah, guys, the market is going down actually, but then it's not a problem to what do we call that thing, to trade against the trend. It's not actually a problem if you know what you're doing. But for me, I would take a buy position when the market mitigates this order block, and then I will take a sell position when it mitigates the order blocks above right there. You just have to understand what you are doing. Uh, Risk is risk, guys. I think I'm saying everything we're doing here, guys, it's risky. So just make sure that yours is calculated and then you know what you're doing. So with this one, guys, I think we had this analysis last year actually. Yeah. So here we build a liquidity around this order block, guys. If I can extend it to somewhere around here, it triggered those support and resistance traders. Here, let me show it that it's a liquidity. Yeah. So now, guys, what I didn't manage to get here, guys, I didn't manage to get what do we call? Okay, here we broke our previous. I mean, we changed character, came to mitigate this order blow, but now the market didn't break this. You what to call? It didn't break this high right here, so we're still gonna wait for the market to break this one. That's why with this order block, I'm not confident enough, even though I will be having a Falcon pattern somewhere around here. But what I'm seeing right now, I'm seeing an impulse now being in a correctional phase, then we're going up. So if I can manage to get a nice buy position right here, I'm gonna hold up until the market mitigates this order block above there. Yeah, then that's when I will be confident enough to try and scale in that position. So German 30 is gonna be so okay. I did German 30 actually, and I did USD 80. So guys, I think I'm done with what I had to show you for this week, guys. Yeah. So guys, for the people who are new in our channel, guys, please help us to grow this channel, guys. Subscribe and then make sure that you turn the notification on right there. And then for the people who are returning right there, guys, I know that last year it has been a tough year when it comes to the market, but this year, guys, I am guaranteeing you that if you can stay with our channel, guys, you're gonna be learning a free content right here, guys. Yeah. So and then at the same time, I will start with a mentorship program, guys. I will show you that I will release the details of that thing towards the end of this month. Actually, we're still working on something out, guys. Yeah. So for the people who are returning here but haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Yeah. So guys, yeah, make sure that you set you write those goals for 2023 down, guys, and then come here in this channel so that we can crush those goals, guys. Yeah. But your main goal of this year when it comes to the market, guys, it is to risk less, guys, and then try to make more, guys. Yeah. If you can have that mentality of wanting to make more, guys, that's when everything starts going south. Have that mentality of risking less, guys. Yeah. Cheers, guys. We'll see you in the next video.